Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sell stock on Schwab. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in schwab.com, and once you're there, log into your account as well if you haven't. And now the next step is to select the stock that you want to sell. And once you have selected the stock, on the right hand side of the page you'll be seeing this drop down menu right beside that stock. Now what you need to do is select the option that says trade, and once you click on trade you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Now what you need to do is click on action, and once you click on action you'll be provided with these three options, that is buy, sell and sell short. Simply click on sell, and now what you need to do is enter in the quantity that you want to sell and then select the order type to market order. And once you are done with all that, what you need to do is simply click on review order, and once you click on review order, this page will provide you with the information on how much money you will get on selling that stock. So check these informations as well. Now you need to be sure to check the estimated exchange fees and estimated commission as well, because you don't want to pay it. And once you have done with that, scroll down and then you'll find an option that says place order. Click on it, and that's basically how you sell a stock on Schwab. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.